So yeah, I just pulled over to get the sunset. As you can see, my car is my car's back. Yeah, there's my car over there. Just pulled over the on side of the road. Yeah, it's just I wanted to capture the sunset. It's absolutely beautiful. Just look at the sky, the yellows, the blues that are just happening. It's all over. Today's video is going to be a really short one. I wanted to talk to you guys quickly about actually just creating a quick video showing you how to create a great image anywhere you are, no matter the situation. So currently, as you know, we're in lockdown, so I've decided I'm going down to go and see my mom and dad, and I've decided to stop alongside the road to actually take some beautiful photos of the stunning sunset that's happening right in front of us right now. And you can use this as a landscape image. So yeah, so before the sun actually does set behind me, I want to show you what it's looking like. So behind me, you can see there, just look at that beautiful sunset just peeking over the horizon there with the windmills going. So yeah, so while I'm at it, I'm just going to take a quick photo. And the reason why I'm saying this is that anybody can do this anywhere, anytime, any place, is because this is done on my iPhone. So I'm going to take this photo and come back to you. I hope you guys actually enjoyed the photos that I've taken, but once again, I just wanted to quickly show you and illustrate to you the importance of actually going out, using whatever camera you have and just taking the photo. It's all about seeing the moment and actually just taking a photo and enjoying that moment that the photo's in, no matter the fancy equipment that you've got. This video is entirely been shot on my iPhone 11 Pro Max that I've had, and I'm super happy with the quality. I just wanted to capture that moment. I was going to go down to the beach. I left it a little too late. It's my own fault. But the key thing for you guys to understand is you can actually create any photo, anytime, anywhere. You don't have to go and actually, you know, look for something very specific. It can just happen while you're driving, and that's what was happening to me now. Is while I was driving, I just saw this dramatic sunset. The sky came alive. So I hope you guys have enjoyed this video. I apologize for the bad audio and the bad sound and everything like that. I'm talking directly to my phone, and yeah, I hope it's not too blustery. And once again, you know, if you like this video, do me a favor, give it a like, give it a thumbs up. If you've liked it, you know, feel free to comment. I love it when people comment on my videos. It starts a conversation. If you haven't subscribed to the channel yet, do us a favor and actually subscribe to the channel. That will help the YouTube algorithm malarkey. I don't know. Anyway, guys, until next time, or tomorrow, shall I say. See you then. Cheers, bye bye.